Cody Step here. Just about a year ago, Mark and I set out to reimagine real estate technology for you guys, the agents who are actually in the trenches working to build businesses. Now, when we did this, we stood up something called routines. These are modular workflow automations reimagined. And how they work is they focus on key dates to ensure that the automation is triggering in little bite-sized moments, helping you not only understand what you need to build, but actually be able to build them in a way that mimics and creates a world-class client experience. Well, when we did this, we sat back and we said, man, we can't really make this any easier, especially because Sam was able to build these for you using just a few words. Well, there should be a ... until now, because what we just launched is going to fundamentally shift how we engage with, how we think about, and how we actually build workflow automations. Imagine sitting down and sharing in just a few words exactly what you're hoping to do, and Sam could build for you a review to ready run entire workflow automation in just a couple of minutes. That's exactly what we're going to be showcasing to you live October the 10th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. All you have to do is click the link down below, get signed up for the event, and you can spend it live. You're going to see exactly how you could sit down and build out some of the systems that the most successful real estate agents have built into their businesses to create the success, opening up the freedom that they've always needed, always wanted, and probably came to real estate to actually find. These are systems like your lead generation, lead nurture systems, your contract through close systems, or maybe you finally can build a past client engagement series that's going to continue to build relationships. Well, this is all possible, and you can actually tell Sam in just a few couple of words exactly what you're hoping to accomplish, and then it's going to build everything for you. I'm talking multiple routines that are paired together to build out entire workflows. All of these routines have all of the activities, all of the actions, and all of the templates written to sound just like you using a writing style that's preloaded into the system. And it's gonna do all of this in less than 20 minutes. It's truly crazy to me. When Mark showed me this, I was just fundamentally blown away, and I know you are too. So here is where I would like to personally invite you. Go ahead and click the link down below, get signed up for the event. It's totally free, and you are going to get to see exactly how you could implement all of the automations that you've always wanted to build, you've maybe never known how to build, or you didn't have the time to actually implement into your business. And you're gonna be able to do it in lightning speed. Now, I've worked in real estate technology long enough to hear all of the gurus of real estate technology say the true workflow secret of real estate is building these automations, but most of us just don't have the time to actually implement them into your business, ... until now. And that's exactly why this event is going to be so powerful, because I am going to be able to fundamentally shift your perception of how to build workflow automations into your business using these routines and using Sam to actually accomplish all of this. So click the link down below, get signed up for the event, and October the 10th at 1 p.m., we are gonna go live. We're gonna show you exactly how this is done. We're gonna spend some time with you, and you are going to get to see how Sam is going to shift your real estate business for the better, allowing you to show up more engaged for your clients, allowing you to build better processes for your leads, and allowing you to stay connected to your past clients. Oh, and it's going to do it effortlessly in just a couple of minutes. I can't wait to see you there. Click the link down below, get signed up, and we're going to have a lot of fun October the 10th.